Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? This is Sunday morning to some of you, Sunday afternoon, some Sunday evening. Welcome back to my channel. So this is a day after fundraising, and we are back again to go through some of the things that happened yesterday from the angle of Fallback Republic. Fallback Republic, as you all know, is Asanya Ayogo's group, and you know what they're known for: manipulating things and lying to people and all that. So I just want to bring to you the update from their camp, because yesterday in the fundraising, COS Dr. Nkosora said something very, very important about what PM said, the message from PM to Dabere. Dabere is the man who is using Nkere as I don't know his name. I just want anyone I call, please, you know what I'm talking about. I don't know his real name. Some people say that Isaiah Yogo is fake. Some people say it's Nkere. So, but I think that Isaiah Yogo should be his name. Then Nkere could be his, stage name. in Biafra movement, you don't have stage name. Anyway, don't mind me. The thing is that COS made it clear that PM have already passed message to Dabri and Elias to withdraw the lawsuit. So, and I just decided to know the rationale of Nkere. Then I have to go through the broadcast as you all know. He's now trying to be clever. Normally, he will make a speech that will last maybe before initially just 2 minutes, and their group told him, no, you need to prolong it so that people follow COS, because when she want to talk, she will normally make very long or a long speech. So she was trying to look for something to attract people to his side. Just like when PM started, some people believe that the chair and some Igbo attire that Isiago and also the rest of them, this act and the Igbo bead and everything that PM normally used to decorate his studio and his video, his Igbo attire, cultural dress and everything is the reason why people follow him or listen to him. Somebody like Biafran Child from the US, they decided to fund themselves, to equip themselves by decorate their environment, their studio, like with Igbo outfit and everything. And they later realized that it's not about no system number. Anyway, Nkere he's tried his best to learn how to make a long speech, and those things is not working. All right. Now he's going back to his usual self, which is 3 minutes speech, and come back again 3 minutes speech. What I'm trying to say in essence is that, because I don't want to be too long, he makes almost 3 different speech in his fundraising. And none of them, he can't even make one speech 10 minutes. You understand what I'm talking about? But it's not my business. So I tried my best to spend time to listen to those places. And I find out that he made 3 different speeches. Maybe it's more than, but the one I was able, because I just skip and find out that there are 3 different time where he said to talk to his cabal. Now, first, he talked about Mazamukano's lawyers and his siblings, how he's going to go after them if anything happens to Mazamukano. I said, okay, let me move forward. I don't even know what pushed me to move forward, because normally I would have just stopped from that part, thinking that that's the only speech that he made. But guess what? Ending part, about 3 hours, 20-something minutes in that video, he said something. I'm saying it because some of you that want to find out, maybe you're a broadcaster and you have access to this video, you can go and listen to that for yourself and use this to do what you want to do. But the only thing that made me to bring it here is that he actually responded to that thing that COS said. He admitted, though, that message had been passed to Dabre and all that, but he still insists that he's gonna get the lawsuit going and all that. Time will tell, like I always say. And I want you to listen to that. Please, before then, like this video and make sure you share it widely. And today we are coming back again, 5 p.m. for our usual Sunday prayer program. So please, please, please join us as we pray and declare word for everybody, especially for Master MNK PM and of course Dr. Ngozi Rebeze, and even you and all of every Biafrans that are somehow confused that God will pilot everything and make it, put it the way it's supposed to be for the betterment of all, not for everybody, not for Kai Report, for everybody, so that our land will be at peace and the bloodshed that some of our brothers are doing. What I mean by that, I'm talking about Ebubago and Co. and those of them in Nigerian security outfits. We understand that even those sending them to do that, their own side are somehow peaceful. So they are not the one buying themselves. But you're supposed to go against the land grabber, the Fulanis, and you are allowing your people to go through pain for what? I don't know. Anyway, please make sure you like the video and subscribe. Your comment is very important. Here it is.
Honorable from Australia, thank you. Please, dear friends, one thing I want all of us to know: don't be a follower. If you're a freedom fighter, you are not a follower, because you are. If whoever you are following fail, you fail as well. If you're a freedom fighter, you are a freedom fighter. You are fighting for yourself. You are fighting for what you believe. If you're a follower, that means you are fighting for whoever you follow. Please, I want all of us to know the freedom that we are fighting for is not the freedom of Mazio Nkere.
Okay.
It's not the freedom of Ayachuku. It's not the freedom of Tutor. It's the freedom of Biafra. Biafra people, both born and unborn.
That sounds good. Okay.
That is why this accountability, holding people accountable that we have initiated, can never stop.
Are you hearing that?
I have just found the medicine to stop sabotage. Yes. Because since we initiate this holding people accountable, they'll be blowing my phone up.
The funny thing is that the people listen to him, this guy, this cabal, laughing to yourself like a winch. Nah, no. To stop sabotage is to stop you are the first to be stopped. That is how to stop sabotage. Does it mean that you guys, how much is dictionary now? You don't even need to go to market to buy dictionary to do, because I wanted to say you should go to market and get a dictionary for yourself so that you can check, take your time, read the meaning of sabotage and act of sabotage. You will understand what sabotage means. Please do yourself a favor. Spend little time. It's not going to cost you hours, just a couple of minutes. You can read and find out how the usage of the word sabotage and the examples. You can always use even Google it up. You can see it. What is sabotage? And then you ask yourself, what am I doing? But you have to be real to yourself though, for you to understand what I'm talking about. Because when you talk about sabotage, what you are doing, Nkere, is example of sabotage. All right. And for example, somebody called you in and said, please, just like me, now let's assume that I'm looking for a house to rent or maybe shop to rent. And I called my friend, you that is listening to me, and I called you up and said, please, Mr. A, can I get a shop of so square meters, this kind of thing with so location, that kind of thing. Then you say, okay, I have a shop to rent. Okay, it's okay. Please, can you meet up with the agent? Help me, since you are at that location, call the agent number and let me know what it takes to rent that shop. And you call and get back to me and say, oh, Kai Report, this shop is so look at it. Even the agent say I have to pay so commission, that kind of thing. Narrate everything to me. Then I say, okay, here, take this money, go and rent it for me. I'm very, very far away, but I want to establish business there. Then you went to the agent, and the agent said, okay, who is this shop is in whose name? Then you call him up and say, oh, what, Mazi, what name should I put? Is it car report? Car report what? You know that kind of, what is your full name? Then I said, okay, this is my full name. They said the owner of the shop, the landlord said, no, we need the signature of the person that's gonna rent the shop from me. This column is where he's supposed to sign. But if he's not here, somebody's gonna sign on his behalf. Then that person will be the resident agent, that will take care of that thing for some time, because the shop maybe is a cooperative business and all that. So we end up having some names and some signatures to have that document sealed up. Then it's okay, since you are the one very close, you are living in that area, in case there's any emergency, you go there and stand for us. Be our resident agent and just put your signature there, my name and everybody, and all my cabinet members, all my co-workers, all my co-owners, that kind of thing. Then after everything, well, some of the owners, some of the co-owners decided to drop, maybe have issue with what we are doing, and they dropped. There remains you and me, for example. Then you now secretly went behind me and put yourself as the owner of the business. Remember how the whole thing started? As the owner of the business. Then the person that ran the shop, of course, because he know that you are the one that approached him in the first place. He allowed you to do that. And he changed everything and put me to even nowhere, because I can't do anything. Somehow something happened. As of the time, I'm not able to do something. I don't even know that you have changed it, thinking that you are with me. Today, if I now tell you, okay, I don't want change the padlock of that shop. Just go and change the padlock. I want to use so padlock security. Then you say no. That I don't have the right to tell you the padlock, to use in that shop. Does that? I hope you are following what is going on, because that is act of sabotage. This is one out of many. There's many other ways to link up this guy with, to sabotage. Hear him again, please.
Telling me to do the right thing. What right thing do I have to do? The right thing is to hold the evil ones accountable. I received a message today.
Always, okay.
The message I received today is about I should do the right thing by dropping the lawsuit. What about those that said they are breaking? At the time, the USB mad dog leader said she is Briggy and the USB. Okay. If she is Briggy, let her go there and answer as Briggy. Let her withdraw the lawsuit as Briggy. Accountability group of the Mamadu and the mad.
What angered me most in all this thing is the audacity. This guy, like the way he's doing it with impunity. Like, we know the genesis of all those things. The Briggy registration is not done because you are Nkere. We are buying down, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir, okay, sir, okay, ma, okay, ma, okay, ma. I'm a servant, I am a representative, I'm a messenger, until you see yourself up there. Then you change the document to become the owner. And people are seeing this and are laughing. I don't blame these saboteurs that's clapping with him. I don't blame none of them. I don't blame any of them. You know why? Because they are doing what they want to do as a DOS recruited agent. All of them. Some of them may have been with PM, but the intention and their motive has been different from get-go. Like Bible said, in every garden of 12, there must be Judas. So this could be the eyes of the US would PM all this while, all of them. The time to separate the wheat from the chaff is now, and the nature have actually separated it, and it's very clear. Okay, can you claim that you are with people, Biafran, you are saying how many are there in your Zoom? How many are there? And you just look at your screen now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14 people as in this crime now. Then I'm not saying they are all 14, no. There are many other. If you scroll left or right, up and down, you may see other fine. But my question is, are there those ones? Are they the ones speaking for Biafra? Because these are minority to compare those that are the number that are not following you. So when you open your mouth and say, I'm not doing it for myself, I'm not working for PM, I'm not working for McCann, I'm working for Biafra. Who selected you? Who made you to even come to the limelight? Is it these people? Are they the one that make you APM? You were appointed by who? Somebody appointed, somebody made that appointment. But somehow, because Elias, who came from, I searched on the internet and I found what is called bringing in government measure. I said, let me reach out to them and see if I can work with them. I don't believe that idea, because the way you are working with Elias, Elias is headbending with what you want, goes to show that from day one, it could be your long-time friend. You brought him in, lure him this with the tricks, and PM thought that he have an agent and what is it called, a lobby, and he's now the lobbying for Biafrans and all that. Little did we know that he's not he's not lobbying anything. This is somebody that is giving you, guideline on how to manipulate and sideline everything and crush everything down. And some DOS members, instead of them to go back to the various units like they normally do before, contributing money for Chiketusem and Chinas Award and the rest of them, they're sneaking. If you doubt me, you can watch the interview of Nkere when she appeared in Why You Saw Chat's platform. What did she say? Somebody called her and said, were you not the one shouting obedient a few months ago? She said, yeah, that she tried obedient and she found out that that Nigeria is not moving, it's not working. Until they use the opinion. They are bringing her spoken. Criminals everywhere. She said it in our Why You Saw Chat platform. If you scroll down to Why You Saw Chat platform, you see Nkere, although that one she don't know how to give video title. I would have tell you the title of the video. She always have what is the name of this? What is that word that she normally put in all her video? I catch code there. if you remember that for like that. Now, the lady says something in her platform that she agreed. She tried to make Nigeria work, using P2B, and she failed. After obedient election, she couldn't even join. She waited until the PM was arrested. Then she remembered, oh, there's a government in exile, and the person who then is one of my co-criminal. Let us go and rally around him. Around him, they are the one telling you how to sue. Of course, they will want to sue Biafrans because you guys stopped them from making Biafrans using IPOB. That's why they gathered now in that forum, thinking that they're going to deceive everybody. When you talk, Nkere will say, it is sabotage. It's saboteur, calling everybody sabotage. Everybody sabotage. What define your job? I just told you how you started. You are appointed as finance minister. You undermine the structure. You don't care about PM. A few days after his arrest, you initiated the memo using the memo that okay, everyone digging out this your tactics on how to crash down everything. So I'm not surprised if they always want to sue CS, because to them COS is just like a PM. So if PM is not available to Ipawa Yazo, or maybe they want to, after the Happy their next in line is serious, and they are, of course, genuine Biafrans. That is why all of you keeping silent from USB 90 to voice chat. I would have said something deeper than this, but I don't know the gravity, the situation of the case. I don't know if the USB is in the tight corner because the agreement shows that it looked like he knew that the Biafrans are going to fail if they go to court. I keep on saying that, but I don't know. I'm not a lawyer. I'm not saying somebody should just say something out of context. I will say the one I know. Left for me alone, the man called a farmer. Okay, this is 2 times. He's telling you the whole world that you are calling him, secretly begging him. I don't know what did you see that make you to keep on begging him? Because normally I don't see reason why you should be panicking. Or maybe, are you still with USB? I don't know. Because for you to call Nkere, begging him, are you begging him on behalf of USB or this is your personal opinion? Because I want to understand the source of your begging. Or if USB want to beg, they can also inform all of us to start begging Nkere. If begging is the only way. I don't understand the issue of begging. That a man, okay, so we are not legalizing criminality. Or American system, justice system are they the same thing that Nigeria is practicing on what? Connect the dot, please, because I have tried to make sense out of it. I couldn't make any sense out of it. That somebody appoints you to be a finance minister, beg you to rent, to pay social thing for social building, and you ended up renting that place, and they made you resident agent. The person is still intact, leading the organization. The African contributed the money for that, not these people that join you now. It is very clear. And if you that me mention the numbers of people, can you, apart from Sonak Parawa, mention top cabinet member? I'm not talking about the cabinet member that always hide, like the one in charge of Azubike, in charge of website. Nobody knows his image, his look. So I'm not talking about people like that, even though he's no longer with Nkere now. I'm talking about people that we know, that we have seen their face, that have been in the cabinet all this while with the PM, that are still with this woman. Apart from Sonak Barawa, who we all know that from day one he's just a criminal. I've been trying to avoid calling him a criminal before, but after he made his post yesterday of a daily post, going back to refresh Biafrans that PM disobeyed Mazamkan. That's what he's trying to tell you, in case if you don't understand the message behind that his post. That from that yesterday, to me, he's a well-known certified criminal. Or that, let him just explain to us what he just did with that post. That is what criminals do. They can do anything to indict other people just to exonerate themselves from their criminality. Do you get the point? That is primary activities or primary, the least thing you should expect, that you expect from a criminal. One of the least things, because it's very common. They will always show you a way. They can do anything. Have you asked yourself, why is it that armed robbers, if they are running from police or army or anybody trying to combat with them, they can buy anybody stopping them, like in the hold up. They don't mind to buy people as long as you are blocking them as they are running. If you dare to stop them, they will take your life instantly. They are doing that just to defend themselves. They don't mind to take away lives for them to be free. Even life of those that has nothing to do with what is chasing them. For him to bring out that post, he brought it out just in that PM to validate their criminality. And that's why I called him a criminal now, and I don't think I'm going to withdraw that. Now, listen. Nkere is here telling you this.
If they are greedy, let them withdraw it. This fool that is crying to me every day should not go and cry to a mark group, a Ngozi group, for them to withdraw the lawsuit. I don't have the power.
If
deserve what they ask for.
If I did not follow, if I have not listened to, or maybe if I did not watch how PM used to broadcast, and if I did not follow the activities of Briggy before now, I would have fallen to this guy's trap. But we all know how he started. You remember the video that CS brought out where they asked him, and I mentioned that a few days ago in some of our videos. They asked him, what do you have to say about what Sonak Barawa said? The issue that has to do with Sonak Barawa and CS in the cabinet meeting. CS brought out that video some months ago. They asked this guy, what do you have to say about it? He said, my PM, if you say it is wrong, it is wrong. You are my PM. If you say it is right, it's right. Oh no, what is going on in your mind now? As you remember, to some of you that know what I'm talking about, once you hear that, what comes to your mind? That is the kind of man he is. That kind of person. his inability to be man enough to stand on what he believes on is in zero level. It is not, he don't even operate like a man. That is the same person who told PM, what you say stand. What you say is what I follow. He's not telling you that he PM don't have right. Do you understand what I'm saying? From day one, this guy is not for you. All the can call here congressman, actually they go much. So for you to host event in Washington DC that you labeled it initially Congress, he said congressional hearing, something like that. I hope I pronounce it properly. In that event, it was meant to have congressmen there. Yet, even if they don't want to make a speech, they should be there listening to you. As somebody who has spent time, months, years now, to report something, something about what is going on. Nobody, not even a representative. And that minute to the event, you nickname it congressional briefing. But the flyers you shared weeks before the event, it was already congressional hearing. You know, if you begin to pay attention to this guy and you listen to me now and still see him as somebody that is not your problem, he's a problem. Not even there's difference between he's running his own program, his own group. No, he's a problem, a kidnapper. Why? What do I mean by a kidnapper? He kidnapped everything that PM represent. Everything, the template, he kidnapped it. BLA is not the way it is today because of Nkere. You see all these voices talking, and PM is Nkere. Okay, if you trace everything, Nkere. Anyway, let me allow him to talk.
The Biafran people have taken it upon themselves to hold people accountable.
No.
Mazin Namdekan, our leader, don't have the power. Our prime minister don't. I don't. None of us.
But that event, when you're supposed to remind Biafrans, the question that PM asked you need to take Biafrans your own take. What do you have to say about this thing that Sanabara did? Is it right or wrong? My PM, if you say it is wrong, it is wrong. If you say it is right, it's right. I just quote, when DPM brought out that clip, we don't know. So there's some video that DPM posted then that honestly, I'm some of this clip with the Panaka because it is now that it makes a very good sense. DPM, I don't know if you have access to this video. Please, can you post that video? Even if it's 1 hour, then you delete it again. We need to bring that video so that you see the body language of this guy. How humble and how quiet he was in place of PM. This not for what I can man 17 years and not dinner and all that. I got the name and find respect the father. Now Samomoto, now Sachuno, now, but the target is his daughter. That's what this guy did. A very criminal-minded human being. Among everything here in this keepers from the beginning of autopilot, this guy, I don't care about how much they say you donated. Some say you donated and you take. I don't care about money. You see this disrespect on PM, thinking that you want to deceive the friend that is attacking, you're attacking DPM. No, the target is PM from get-go. DPM is just a victim of circumstance. The target is PM. You are just that evil woman. Then again, going up evil woman. In fact, I think I made a mistake. I should have just used the wrong light broadcast because I have not touched the other part. I told you he made 3 different speech. We are still in the just one, where he talked about Amazon Ghana and how they're gonna go against his lawyer and everything. That one is at the beginning. But let us focus on this one. Maybe next time I may bring it up. But let's focus on this one because this has to do with what is going on currently. It makes a lot of sense.
The government of Biafra is government of the people, by the people. Any leader that don't listen to the people they govern, that person who is he leading?
Oh, really? Really?
Biafran government is the government of the people.
I have, like I said, these people, government of people, they did not elect you. Somebody appoints you. They did not elect you. No election. Who made you APM? Opportunist. Opportunity. Wazuke, no matter how people perceive see him, he's more innocent than you. PM, of course, you can't compare. He did not drag anything belong to IPB with IPB people. He did not drag anything. He want to join them to join hands together. They said no. That he want to stop their financial gain, the financial gain. He just stay away and begin to take reference why they push him away. Your own. You lure yourself in as an obedient servant, as a humble servant. Like you love to call yourself that. Today, look at what I did. Imam Madabo that built you can't even stand you anymore, right? And Imam Madabo have a lot of questions to answer. The Mazakwa don't have shame, so his own is different. But you, Imam Madabo, you need to explain a lot. You at your age, the lie that I have told Biafrans, if you are my father, I will do everything to stop you from talking again, because you have done more harm than good. You are the one that brought that memo that says that for APM for you to contest for the office of APM, you must be somebody that is well introduced to BLA by PM. Then you knew that this guy has nothing to do with BLA. Nobody introduced him to them. Now that Mazakwa break away with you, Mazakwa is not telling people, because one thing about liars is that they don't remember their first statement. Mazakwa is not telling people that, look, I am the one that give Nkere success number to reach the Liberation Army. Think about it, then you know what I'm talking about. That's why Imam Madabo, you are looking at Shaboki too much, and it's audible. We are based on your age bracket and your life experience. You are not supposed to. You're supposed to in the easy phase to know shit like that at your age. I think you can based on your, I don't know your financial capability. I'm talking about your age. Your age, your life experience, you know. You're supposed to green out your before it's on. But look at what you did.
Today, I received a message from one of the people that don't want to go answer the lawsuit. They are begging. They are crying. Why are they crying? Those that say they have expelled, first of all, they suspend me. From suspension, they expel me. From expel, they expunge, I expunge. After all this expunge and suspension, why are they coming back to me? Why are they asking me to withdraw the lawsuit? I'm not breaking. Brigade is the people of Biafra. Brigade government is the people of Biafra. The people of Biafra, they are the government, because it's their government. So those that want the lawsuit to be dropped, we don't really want to comment on it. It's ongoing matter. They should come and talk to the people of Biafra or former. Zuzuru, stop disturbing me. Come out publicly, talk to Biafrans. Ask Biafrans that, please, this is what you asked for, and all others, stop testing my phone. They need to come and talk to Biafran people. And whatever Biafran people say, that's what we'll do. Akuyana, is that not how it is? Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Look at them.
You know, I found that key. The good key. Also, these people, but you are right there. I'm a straight liars. You crying, man. Don't cry.
Now because she always in the USB government, USB speech, COS speech. He listened to the speech of DPM yesterday, and he ran back to his group and began to answer and made his comment. He deny? No, he validated that truly PM have conveyed the message to Dabri and Elias. He is still insisting. To him, Biafra has spoken. My God. Anyway, ụwa na-eme ntụgharị. Otu aka ọ dị njọ ọ ga-adị mma. Ụwa na-eme ntụgharị. Ọkwa gwara ụmụ ya ịtụrụ ji tụrụ mgbọrọgwụ osisi maka oge ewe ji ga-ebịa gwuru ji ya ka ife ị ga-ejiwe sustain onwe gị. Oge mbọkwa ebido mụwa m ibuzi na amụchi ya. I don't know how the whole thing will be, but from what I'm seeing, if Biafran government, USB government can pass the message the way it is, I'm not saying they should start talking about after declaration. No. How Nkere joined, his position in the movement and instruction, and the original document and everything, they need to present it. Let me see. This will help me to understand how, law court and the judiciary system in US work. If they are there, is it the same thing Nigerian court judiciary are doing or not? Because I'm confused. I don't know who is this guy. I don't see any reason why he wants to change himself like this. But let's see.
I have found the key.
No.
The key to hold all the evil people accountable. If you don't want to be held accountable, don't sabotage this great movement. People have died. Biafran have lost too.
Anyway, I'm going to stop him here. Please make sure you like the video and remember, join us in our prayer section this afternoon and or this evening, because it's going to be 5 p.m. different time. I don't know what time will be your own. Please make sure you join us that time and like the video. Tell me what you think about all we discussed so far. I did not finish everything that I wanted to bring to you, especially that part of where he talked about MNK and the lawyers and what have you, and how, because massage before. We know all those things. Anyway, please make sure you like the video, okay, and share it to many platforms of your choice. Very, very important. See you again, and God bless you. Bye-bye for now. Take care.